Hello, I'm Borg Barthet and I'm a senior lecturer in the Centre for Private International Law at the University of Aberdeen. Our workshop on the reform of EU defamation law has brought together leaders in journalism, human rights activism, academia and public governance. The workshop is intended to bring about greater awareness of the need for changes to EU defamation law, as well as the technical mechanisms which are required to achieve that. The research which underpins the event was prompted by events in Malta in October 2017. As many will know, in October 2017, Malta's leading investigative journalist, Daphne Caruana Galizia, was assassinated by a car bomb. Around that time, we realised that lots of press reports around her investigative journalism were being deleted by other news websites. And what was particularly worrying from the perspective of a private international lawyer was that it wasn't the assassination of Daphne Caruana Galizia that was forcing the deletion of verifiable reports, or at least it wasn't that alone. It was private international law, which is considered to be a purely technical discipline. What we found was that a major, or rather powerful entity was threatening newspapers in Malta with defamation suits in other member states of the European Union and elsewhere in the world. And essentially, we found that the law provided very little protection. It provided little protection in terms of stopping suits being brought in states where the cost is overwhelming for smaller media houses. The law doesn't provide procedural safeguards in terms of which substantive law will be applied to a case, and it doesn't provide protections in terms of the burden of proof. So what we hope to achieve through this event and through the discussions we're having here is for a greater understanding of the manner in which the regulations of the European Union concerning jurisdiction and choice of law should be changed with a view to protecting journalists from the sorts of abusive behaviour that we've seen. We hope that the public will become more engaged with these developments, because of course what is at stake here isn't simply the right of journalists to write, but it is our ability to know and to keep powerful actors in check through our participation in public life and our discussion around public life.